Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Cooking with Yvette. Today I will be making some sticky pork. In this pot I have some pork that I already washed and seasoning, marinade, and I add some ginger and garlic. Let it boil until it gets tender, and then throw the liquid. I will mix this thick soy sauce, cornstarch, cooking wine, rice wine. I have some light soy sauce, ketchup, and some sesame oil. I have some honey, sugar, black pepper, the white black pepper. Mix all together, and this is some ginger, garlic, onion, and red onion. Sorry. I will be combining everything into one bowl. Mix well. Okay. And also I have some star anise, cinnamon stick, which I will be frying all together. This is in a pot with some oil, ginger, garlic, cinnamon stick, and the star anise. Fry it well for 2 to 3 minutes so it could absorb that garlicky taste. And after finish, this is gonna add the mixture and let it fry until it's thickened. I will be listing everything that I use in the description bar down below. Okay, all the measurements will be listed. And I just add some pepper and some parsley, fresh parsley leaf into it, and let it continue boiling. And guys, this will be served with some steamed stir-fried vegetables. What I did is steam the vegetable, then fry. And also with some long grain white rice. So this is it when it's finished, what it looks like. And these are the stir fries. This is broccoli, carrots, long beans, red and white onion, and also some red pepper, some diced tomato, and this is it when it's finished. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. For any question, feel free to ask. Thank you again.